Why is Shaq swinging that belt? Oh, hell no. This ain't that type of party, sir. Hey y'all, it's your Nida and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a little DIY project. I don't know if you guys remember me showing you this bag in a video a few weeks back. I'll link the video above in an iCard. It was my like self-care and chill chit chat, get unready with me video. So I said I was going to buy some stickers and transform this bag. I got the idea from, there was a shop I saw like a couple months ago, and it had like a bag just like this one, and they had put some Louis Vuitton stickers on it, and I thought it was mad cute, and I was gonna buy it, but it was like $60, and I'm like, oof. Fast forward a couple weeks later, I saw a YouTuber by the name of Ann Wynn. I'll leave her channel above as well as her video, and she did basically the same DIY project on the same bag, but instead she used a Cricut, printed her own stickers, and created her bag. Well, unfortunately I don't have a Cricut. I wish I did, but I don't. And so I had to buy my stickers from Etsy. I bought this bag from Fashion Nova. I'll leave the link below. Hopefully it's still on the site. If it's not, I'll see if I can find one like it or the same one on like a different site on like Amazon or something. So for this DIY, what you're gonna need, you're gonna need some little like, what are these? Like tweezers? Yeah, like tweezers type of deal. My stickers are unweeded. I got these from Etsy. I got the holographic gold ones. I kind of was like going back and forth between whether I wanted to do gold stickers or white stickers, and then I just said I'll do gold because the hardware on the bag is gold. So I bought these from Etsy. I'll leave the seller and a link to these down below. I got 3 sheets. These were $28 for all 3. Yeah, high key, like the biggest thing I was worried about was the sizing of the sticker itself, because it only tells you how big the sheet you're getting is, but not the individual stickers in the description for the product. So that was a big whole thing that I had to figure out. But then apparently I saw someone's video where the way she figured out how big the stickers she needed to print from her Cricut, not Ann Wynn's video, this is another video, I'll see if I can link it below. What she did is she measured the bag, and then that told her how big of a sheet she should print. And then I guess when you print it from the Cricut, you put in the measurements and it's like, oh, I already know what you're trying to do. So like I said, I don't have a Cricut, so I had to buy these from Etsy. But if you do have a Cricut, I'll leave that tutorial down below. I'll see if I can find it or see if I can find a video like it. And yeah, so I have done enough talking. Let's get started. This is gonna be a talk through because it's like 11 o'clock and I'm out in my family room, and yeah, so I'm just going to speed up the video so you can see what I'm doing. I did see in Ann Wynn's video, she did make a little dot for where to put her sticker. I can't find my permanent marker to make that dot, so we're just going to hope for the best. Know what I mean? Yeah. So also, when you are looking for sticker sheets, this is unweeded, which means that I need to figure out how to peel these up myself. Weeded sticker sheets mean all of this excess paper, excess sticker paper here is gone. Typically the weeded sheets are more expensive than the unweeded, but you know, if you want to buy it weeded and save yourself some trouble, by all means go ahead. I'm going to get my glasses because I'm looking at this like, how the hell am I supposed to see? So yeah, I'm gonna speed it up, and I'll see y'all at the end. Okay, so I've got quite a lot done. I had to turn off the camera to keep going because, y'all, this is actually a lot harder than I anticipated. A lot harder. When I tell you, like, oh my god. So what time did I start? I started at like 11:05. It is now 12:46 a.m. My back hurts. My shoulders hurt. Your girl is just hurt right now. So it's like really hard where my camera is positioned versus like where I'm sitting at this little table to like reach all the way over here to like place the stickers. So I'm going to I've already gotten about three. Oh, sorry, 1, 2, 3. I've gotten 3 sides done. I only have 1 side left. So I'm gonna do a bit of this side on camera. What I think is so cute is on the underside, you could see like the hollow is like more rainbow. It's rainbow hollow on the inside, and then gold hollow on the outside. So far, my favorite side that I've done is this side. This side came out much better than the other 2. Much better than the other 2, and I like it the most. Yeah, now I see why it is smart to map it out where you're gonna put it. I mean, I know why it was smart before, but like, I have a marker to map it out. So if you are planning to do this yourself, I would suggest find a little permanent marker and map out like where you want like your bigger stickers. And let me tell you something, y'all, placing these LVs like not crooked, a challenge. Yeah, a challenge. So I've gone through about 2 sheets already. I still have some LVs on this one, and I have 1 whole sheet left. So 3 sheets was actually like the perfect number of sheets to buy. I think these are the 8x8s. I'll leave the dimension for the sheet in the description box. So let me, I'm currently watching the Lakers-Blazers game because the Heat game already ended. You guys know I love basketball. And I don't even know why I'm watching Portland and the Lakers. Those aren't my teams. Those aren't my teams. Like, the Lakers are my boyfriend. The Lakers are my boyfriend's team. I'm watching this game to tell him that they won, which more than likely he already knows that. But he's probably asleep, so he might not. Ugh, I'm rambling because it's late. Anyways, let me shut up. Let me turn the game back on. Oh, it's halftime. All right, well, I'm gonna watch the halftime report. Let me turn the halftime report back on, and we're gonna get this done. So I wasn't going to do the top of the bag. I've now decided I'm gonna do the top of the bag. Clearly I am insane. I am a lunatic, a mad woman. So I'm gonna leave the camera on so you guys can see me do the top. Done. Thank God I am done. This is the top. I just added a couple like stickers at the top, kind of randomly spaced them out. I will say that because these stickers were smaller than the ones from one of the videos I watched, specifically Ann Wynn's video, I did put more stickers on my bag than say she did, but I still think it came out pretty cute. Yeah, I like it a lot. I think it came out very cute. I can't wait to rock this. Where the heck am I going? Probably nowhere anytime soon. But this was a fun project to do. I actually have another bag. I have like a Scott box, the Louis Vuitton Scott box dupe. I got it off of Fashion Nova. It's the only thing I don't like about it is it's got like the sparkly plastic instead of acrylic, instead of just clear. On the website it looked clear, but then I got it in person and I was like, oh, this is sparkly. But it looks just like the Louis Vuitton Scott box, and or box Scott, whatever it's called. And I'm gonna do that one next, but I think I'm definitely going to get white stickers instead of like a gold. I was thinking about doing like a holographic red, but because the accents on that bag are red, it's like red and tan, but no, I think I'm gonna do like white stickers on that one, and I'll definitely try and get bigger ones so I can do far less. It is a smaller bag, so it has a much smaller surface area, but yeah, when I tell y'all my wrists hurt so bad, I already have carpal tunnel. My right wrist is like it's pins and needles. It's so numb. It's so numb. If you guys would like to see me do the Scott box on my channel, let me know, because I'll be happy to film it for you guys, even though I'll probably be like this for like days. My wrist will just be cramped. But I'll be happy to film it for you guys so you guys can see how I do it. But yeah, that is it. This is the bag. It's mad cute. I like it a lot. I just love how it looks on the outside, like on the inside. Like, I don't know if you guys can see, like, you see that hollow? I love it. I actually really love it. It makes me kind of wish I got that color sticker for the outside, but I love the gold because They were like, I was walking to the bathroom and I turned around and was looking at it in the light, and like as you walk past it, the color shifts and it goes from green to like a reddish color to gold, and it just, oof, it looks so good. So I'm actually very happy with it. But yeah, here's the sticker sheets, what they look like. So I've got one sheet left with like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, with 5 LVs on it. I've got one whole sheet with 5 LVs, and then I've got a ton of these little like star pieces. I've got 2 sheets with a ton of those. I've got 1 sheet with only a couple of them. So 3 sheets was like the perfect number of sheets to buy and use for this project. Like this was actually the perfect amount, and I'm so happy, so happy. I will leave a link down below in the description box for the video that I saw that inspired me to do this, and then as well as I'll leave a video below the one I saw where like she was using her Cricut, in case anybody has a Cricut. Listen, I do not suggest you go out and try to buy one unless you really got it like that and you really want one, because bitch, some Cricuts are $300, and at first I was like, oh, I'll buy a Cricut. Girl. Yikes. So yeah, but I'll leave a link to the store in which I got these decals. I actually got an extra one, a sheet of like purple. She just gave me an extra one just for funds, for free, I don't know. It was for free because like it was like a bonus or something like that, and I was like, oh, thank you so much. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with that purple one. Maybe I'll buy, I think what I'm gonna do, oh wow, I think what I'm gonna do is buy like another clear phone case and then put the purple ones on the back of it. I'm not gonna do it to this one because I really love a clear case. I kind of want to have options. I don't want it to be, I only have one case and it's got the stuff on the back. So yeah, and I've got a ton of rhinestones. Maybe just like completely like bling it out, deck it out, make it cute. So yeah, I mean, that'd be fun. If you guys want to see a video on that, I can do that too. But yeah, let me know down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Remember, I am uploading every Wednesday and Saturday. Wednesdays at 7 p.m. EST and Saturdays at 3:30 p.m. EST. Hit the bell down below so that way you can always be notified whenever I upload. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye. Insert wink here.